Hi, Gary Port from Port and Saba. My birds are in a mood today, so I'm making a claymation video instead. Mata has informed me that since I'm using his image, I still have to pay royalties. Fortunately, I can pay him in sunflower seeds. So, Katrina Law filed for divorce. Why should you care? Actor Katrina Law just filed for divorce. She's asking for primary physical custody of her daughter, and both sides agreed to waive spousal support. The tabloids love the celebrity drama. But let's be honest, if you're in Nassau County or Queens, you don't care about Hollywood gossip. What you care about is what this means for your divorce or custody case. And here's the truth. The same issues Katrina raised, custody, support, and how much of your life ends up public, are the same ones we deal with in New York courts every day. Custody in New York is more than who files first. When Katrina Law asked for primary custody, she was talking about physical custody, where the child lives most of the time. In New York, custody breaks down into two parts. Physical custody is with whom the child lives with. Legal custody is more about who makes the big decisions, such as school, medical care, and religion. In our courts, the judge doesn't flip a coin or automatically reward the parent who files first. Instead, New York uses the best interest of the child test. Translation, the judge wants to know who's been doing the parenting heavy lifting, who has the stable home environment, and whether either parent has red flags like anger issues or an impossible work schedule. Katrina and her husband both waive spousal support. Simple enough in California. In New York, not so much. Here, spousal support is called maintenance, and we have a statutory formula that calculates temporary awards. Longer-term maintenance gets decided by looking at income, the length of the marriage, and sacrifices one spouse made to help the other's career. Yes, you can waive support in New York, but it has to be in a formal, notarized agreement or written into a court order. Judges don't like napkin deals or lopsided waivers. If one spouse clearly got steamrolled into signing, the court may toss it. The privacy issue of celebrities versus regular people. Katrina Law has her divorce splashed across page 6. You won't, but don't think your case is invisible. Divorce filings in New York are public records. Now, that doesn't mean that all your personal information is on display. Divorce